Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel Asian Recipes. Today I want to show you how to make a very simple and delicious stir-fry meehoon. I'll be using very simple ingredients. You'll be able to get those ingredients from the supermarket or your local grocery store. And I want you to enjoy the natural flavors from the ingredients, so I'll be using very minimal seasoning for this recipe. But don't worry, it'll still taste very delicious. So let's get started. First, you need to prep all the ingredients. I'll start by marinating the prawns. Before that, make sure you devein the prawns and butterfly it. After cooking, the prawns will curl up nicely like this. Now let's add a bit of salt, some sugar, white pepper, and some Shaoxing wine. Give it a good mix. Some recipes add baking soda. It will make the prawns more plump, springy, and has this translucent color. Well, I don't usually add it, but you can if you want to. Next, let's marinate the chicken. You can also use pork if you don't have chicken. Cut the chicken into thin strips like this. Marinate the chicken with some sugar, light soy sauce, and some pepper. Mix until the chicken absorbs all the liquid. There should be no liquid at the base of the bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then give it a good mix so that the oil coats the chicken pieces evenly. We'll be using these rice noodles for this recipe. These come in a big bundle and they're very suitable for stir-frying. You find that there is another type that comes in portions, and those are very good for making soup noodles. Now let's soak the noodles. Don't soak the noodles for too long. Once they become pliable, remove the excess water. Okay, I've soaked this for 7 minutes. You can see now it's soft, it's pliable, it's not stiff anymore. And remove it from the water the moment it reaches this texture. Thinly slice the shallots. Set aside. Then mince the garlic. Set aside. Thinly slice the cabbage. You can use other veggies too, like choy sum or bok choy. Set aside. First, add some oil. Give the pan a swirl so the oil spreads evenly. Add the prawns. Once it turns golden orange pink like this, turn it over. Cook the prawns on medium heat until both sides get a nice golden pink or orange color. Remove from the pan. Oops. Don't throw the oil because it's fragrant after frying the prawns. Now add the garlic, shallots. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more oil. Saute until fragrant. Okay, once it's fragrant, you can see that the garlic and the edges of the shallot has turned slightly golden brown. You can start to add the chicken. Chicken in. Saute until the chicken is cooked. Then add the cabbage. Cook until the cabbage softens slightly. You can see that it has shrunk quite a bit. Then add the noodles. Water will start to dry up as well. That's when you can add some water. After mixing the noodles with the meat and veggies, add some water to soften them. Add more if you want it softer. Now push the noodles to one side. Add some oil. Crack 2 eggs. Swirl the egg slightly, like this. You want it to cook until about 60–70%. Then gently mix the noodles with eggs. Then season with some light soy sauce. Add back the prawns, spring onions, and just give it a good mix. My camera actually auto shut down, so the noodles are slightly overcooked, so I'm not going to mix it too much. I bet it's going to be delicious. Okay, the noodles are done. My camera actually died on me twice, overheated twice as well. This is the new camera and I'm not used to it yet. Okay, let me try this. So the noodles actually broke into smaller pieces like this. Yeah, so one of the things to take note when you're stir frying is to not fry the noodles too long and it will break apart like that. It just tastes good though. To try it, I hope you like it. See you next time.